divide 716 by 4 in long division method. 4 times 1 is 4. On subtracting, we get 3. So this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 1 and it is 31. 4 times 7 is 28. On subtracting, we get 3. So again this 3 is less than 4. So we put down this 6 and it is 36. 4 times 9 is 36. On subtracting, we get 0. So 716 divided by 4 is 179. So this much for today and thanks for watching.